This Tropi-Cool Sealant repair sealant, 884 stuff. You just scooch it in the tube, but we're not actually using a brush anymore to roll this in. We're just using one of those rollers, you know, like 1-inch rollers for like, was it trim roller? Is that what you said, Stan?
I guess.
Anyway, I think it used for wallpaper. It's hard, it's not soft like a silicone, like roofing roller would be. But this Henry spreads out beautifully with a hard roller. Fuck a brush roller. This stuff is much more pliable, and actually it saturates the pores of the rubber around it so much better. Fuck it, so much better. Fuck. Roll it on with a hard roller. Don't even fuck with a 3/4 inch nap and a 1/2 inch core or nothing like that bullshit. Just fucking hard roll that shit on.